want anything in the basement. She said, no, the laundry's upstairs. And I said, that's where it's at. So
Okay.
I took over.
Good.
Yeah, I read your article in.
I did too, but that was a long time ago when I read it.
In N-Scale magazine?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, that was in '09.
Oh, 09, yes. I got it at home. I'll get home and
Took me
pull it out.
10 years to build it, and then this was added on. This was another year process.
So the other was 10 years. Huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
Well, the rest of them come down, and I guess they can see. I'll just turn the lights on and we'll go.
Hey Jimmy,
Huh?
stand right here.
Wow. You got smoke coming out of the stack.
There's everything and just about anything on the layout. You have to share this. This is the only one I got. This, in May, I had a tour come through the NNRMA,
Yeah.
and there was 40 guys come through. And I had a bunch of sheets. I should have made some up, but
Well, we certainly appreciate you letting us come by.
well, that's fine. I'd like to be down at the show, but circumstance wouldn't let me.
Sorry.
So, yeah, mother-in-law. She was 90. She fell and broke her hip, and they operated on her on Saturday, and Sunday she was doing great. She was eating, talking, and Sunday night she started going downhill, and her kidneys shut out, and that was it.
Sorry for your loss.
But she lived a good life. She had 90 and a half years, so.
Yeah, my dad's 91. Each day is a blessing.
Yes. Wow. Wanna lay it down over here and take a picture?
I've been looking forever for construction type road trucks,
Yeah.
construction dump trucks. You just don't find them suckers
Maybe
anywhere.
lay it there and get a better shot at it, I don't know.
That'd be a nice information.
I got a rock quarry at one end of mine.
Well, I got a little one down there, small
And I
one.
got Caterpillar big off-road trucks hauling up out, but I wanted some for the scale.
Oh,
For
okay.
road truck, for construction dump truck, but I don't find any.
This is, okay.
Oh, beautiful, beautiful.
Your train shed is humongous.
Thank you.
I mean, then you get to your roundhouse. I hadn't even got to that. I mean, your train shed over there, passenger train.
There's
Something else.
400 structures on the layout, approximately 1,100 cars, close to 90 engines on it.
Oh, wow.
And a few green cars.
Yeah. Yeah, you got plenty, right?
And this is going,
Future trees.
this will be trees. This is off of what they call Live Forever, and I picked some, and I got a couple back there and a couple sitting out here. I make trees out of these, and there's a small one right there, there's a bigger one, a couple over here, yeah, right there. I think they make a nice little tree. I've never used them, and all of a sudden.
he should hit on
This is why I should have
Why don't you get a train layout? Eric, huh?
Down here, I'm starting to build an ore dock. We've got the dock started. It's not quite done yet. We're putting chutes on each side. All of the pilings there, I drilled 1,692 holes in it.
Oh my goodness.
It took 6 hours to drill the holes,
Oh my goodness.
5 hours to put the pegs in, and 4 hours to flatten it out.
You just
So-
needed something to do, didn't you?
This was the last that we took of it. It kind of looks like this here right now. And there's ladders in between each one of these little grooves. And there'll be 27 chutes, and I'm gonna have them, every other one on here come down.
Oh my
The fellow was here not too long ago that's putting that part together on me. I built these here. There's 55 of them, 48 pieces in each one. It took an hour to build each one.
Oh,
That's kind of like these here, but these are flat, these are pointed.
Oh, man.
Wow,
And
you just
we
need
went
to
off
do
of
it for sure.
I don't know if you remember,
What do you
I
think
call
about
it the Bible,
It's just
the
amazing.
big
It
NTrak.
is, isn't it?
There was a guy back in
Look at this
'83 that built
downtown,
a boat
it's really
from
neat
around
too. We don't have-
Wisconsin or so.
We've never
And
built
they
a
got
downtown
the-
ever,
I
have we?
think the first prize.
We've
That's
never
where I
built a
got the-
downtown.
I know, I'm thinking about building one of these days.
Skymatic from it.
Put a parade in.
So I told him as soon as I get it
Oh,
built,
one that
I'll
actually
send him
moves like
pictures
that?
of it.
Yeah, like at
Louisville
one time.
Louisville have,
From,
Just a little bit of the.
It is Dayton, wasn't it?
Norfolk Southern.
Oh, yeah.
Everything stuff.
And this is how I built it.
Oh, the
This is
station here.
brass.
Yeah.
This we built on here. Put it on plastic, it'd stick. So then I pulled it off, put it on there, and then I put on my cross pieces on it.
Thank you, Bill.
Just something to do.
Spiegel was like this.
Superman
Obviously,
here.
yeah.
Either way, down that way, there's a fire going on down there, there's fire trucks flashing. I got a wreck over here, there's a wreck here.
I like this.
Oh, I poured most of my trailers or containers in there, poured them on hydrocal. What's all there, there's around 600 of them laying on the layout.
Those are all scratch built.
The, where'd you get your,
Wow.
Those, one of them I got for nothing and one of them I bought.
oh, really?
I went through, Coreyville Station
Oh, they're brand.
and it's $30 for it.
Yeah, I know.
I like the They weren't, they're not
This
just
here,
shakers.
that's hydrocal. And I poured. The fellow that told me.
And he's
that
got a long
gave me
straightaway on that back
information over
wall.
at Joe,
Look at that.
kind of heavy set.
Oh, man.
I mean, it's
He
the
makes-
whole back
He loves
wall.
to make molds.
So he made the mold?
I made molds
You
and I
made
poured
them.
it.
Oh,
He did. And I
Well,
poured
look.
it. He took a regular
Here's
plastic
helicopters over
one,
there.
made molds, and I poured. These
Little
red
Chanel.
ones, blue ones,
Yeah.
kind of the orange ones and all that, so. Then a couple of them, I put the reefer on the front of it, I poured that too.
Here's ultralight.
There's over 100 of them little bitty ones. 20 footers.
20 footers.
Yeah. And we had a fellow in my club, he passed away, he built me that trailer over at Split.
Oh. I didn't sure what you see this. Dude, the trailer had too much weight in the middle, see?
It broke it.
Is this just a diorama or does it run?
No, it runs.
Oh, okay.
I was gonna wait a little bit, because it's kind of noisy.
Oh, I'm
when it
just
runs.
kidding.
Not
I-
real noisy, but
I
it
was
makes
kidding.
noise when it runs.
I was kidding you.
No, I'll run it.
No, don't do it. That's okay.
Over here is cattle. I got some horses. There's a guy's putting shoes on a horse. There's pigs, chickens and ducks.
I
There's
saw that.
beekeepers. There's some sheep there, horseback riders. And did you see what was back in the corner in that little pond?
Just worked like that.
What, new bathing?
No, I got alligators back
Oh,
there.
there's an alligator back there, yeah.
Where'd you get your substation? That scratch built or is that?
No, it comes
That's
in.
commercial?
Comes in a kit. When you get this, you build two of them, but I put them in individually because it was.
Yeah.
I got 4 of them, I think, scattered around here. I'll tell you what, that's a bear.
It's a bear?
Sure it is.
You have to take all them brass pieces
Yeah,
or straight
wait a minute, I got a
and
question.
bend them
I
in
mean-
millimeters, and then you got to use super glue because nothing else works.
Yeah.
Hey,
And
Jared.
it was something else put together.
What's this contraption you want to do?
That's Bill's car. They carry a great big generator. General Electric's got 7 of them, and when it goes out, it makes $1 million. Now, who just put that one out? There's one put out, all you get is this 2 ends.
No, that's another
together,
kit.
And it's $156. You gotta put it together.
Well, that's in school building.
Yeah. And it's.
Which ones?
approximately-
Aren't those mostly all Fowler stuff? I know the cathedral is. Yeah. Probably Hilton or Fowler.
I guess. This runs real good around the layout, and then this other friend of mine,
I
that
think,
helped me
I think a
build
lot of
this
those
here,
still might be
me and him,
available.
We put a ribbon rail together. We got 10 cars. And it goes around here, just bends around, it's pretty, but it's all made out of plastic.
Their stuff, all that stuff is so expensive. And branch line, you seen some of the new branch line stuff?
You know what
Around
that
the outside and
Their
all.
laser
Karen?
art
is?
kits,
Airplane
they're
wings.
turning out some
This in
gorgeous
here,
stuff.
yeah, that's a 787 airplane.
But they're awful proud of
And
it.
they put this out, and I thought I can build that too. So I built the red one, and there's another one. blue
This was one of those
floating
little
around
model
there somewhere.
towers. I got a couple of those. I'm working on. They're nice kits too.
Well, it isn't until you turn it off.
Then you realize how
Yeah,
much you
I know you will.
quickly.
There's a snowman there, and
Trying to figure out what
built
that
over
building is
here,
across
and
the
back
front.
behind these trees here,
It's a church.
there's
To the church?
Yeah,
or
see
the-
the
Funeral home.
bull bears.
that's a church.
Oh, really?
See the
There
cross
should
at
be
the
6
top.
of them. Yeah.
Modern church.
There's 6
Hello
of them.
there. So is it go with the little building?
What building? Oh, I must
The
be
red
looking.
top.
You know, I don't know. It's just, yeah, I come down here almost every evening. Come down here, I'll turn the TV on and mess and maybe do something, maybe not do anything. Just whatever I feel like doing.
Yeah.
Right now, I'm trying to scratch build a building.
Oh, yeah.
I started over there, I got it on the side of the magazine. Well, we just put it out
Oh,
because
another
it
fire
has,
in the town there.
with the lasers and stuff.
Oh, yeah.
And they want like $200 for it, and I said, I think I can build it cheaper than that.
I'm in, I'm working on three.
Oh, are you?
And that, 3D
I
printing
just love that.
is coming down the pipe so well, that we're getting stuff that we never thought we'd ever. And you might look into, if you have something that you want to go,
No, I haven't.
Uh-huh. You look like that.
Still a little high.
Dry it out.
Approximately.
And paint it there sometimes.
The only thing, I do have steam, but I don't run on here because you can't pull down any farther. It won't do it. It spins too much. And a lot of your older engines have got traction wheels, and boy, you'll tear them off right now, and that's a veritable fact. So,
What are you running, Cat?
Kato and Atlas, so,
He's got another work area here. I'd kill for something like this, just area, and, you know, I just kill for a place that has a nice desk where I can work all the time. Mama's got the whole place taken up.
there's 1,932 people on the way out.
Is there really? You paint them all?
400 of them.
That's all.
How many square feet are down here
This much.
in the basement?
I'd say around 600 and something. So there's 1,500 upstairs.
Okay.
So about 600.
I've got a bonus room and a unfinished attic, 800 total square feet,
So it took 18 sheets of plywood to build the top of it.
with nothing on it, or nothing in either one.